Hi, this is Fed, your content creator slash working mom. For today's video guys, share ko sa inyo kung anong mga Monday ganap ko. So usually, since binago ko na yung routine ko, na hindi ko talaga wina one time yung mga labahin ko during the weekend so that hindi ako ma-stress and hindi ako too tired. So, my first batch at second batch, usually Sundays, first batch siya. Pag hindi siya nilabhan ni Papa, then ako yung maglalaba. Usually mga damit lang namin. And yung second batch, usually Monday, yung kay Arlo. And some clothes na use namin ni Papa. So, like, Monday, empty talaga yung mga laundry baskets namin, which is good. Parang feeling ko hindi masyadong marami yung labahin ko pag ginanito ko siya. And nahihingal ako guys kasi naglalakad ako papuntang office. Naisipan kong mag voice over. And I just would like to say thank you as well kasi now 59 subscribers na tayo sa YouTube and overwhelming talaga. For me, it's a big achievement na yung 5.9k views. And thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Enjoy watching.